Hello English learners, I am Shilva Pulkar and I welcome you to the Oxon Academy of English. Today in this video we are going to talk about two modal auxiliaries, that is can and could. Can and could. Now let's talk about can. When we want to talk about someone's ability or capacity, we use can. Now this word can be pronounced in two ways. It can pronounce either as can or as can. So can and can, both pronunciations are possible. When we talk about someone's ability or capacity, we use can, as I've said earlier. For example, I can write with both hands. I can write with both hands. I have that ability to write with both hands. Let's see more examples. She can sing a song. My father can read without glasses. Okay, my father can read without glasses. Possibly he is over 80, but still he has the ability to read without glasses. Now let's talk about its second use, that is permission. Permission. It can be used to grant permission or to obtain permission. So for example, can I use your phone? Do I have the permission to use the phone? Yes, you can. Here we are obtaining the permission and here we are granting the permission. Yes, you have the permission to use my phone. In other words, you can say yes, you can use my phone. Now let's talk about its third use, that is to request. You can also make requests by using can. For example, can you type these letters for me? Can you type these letters for me? Okay, can you type these letters for me? So it is a sort of request that I have made. Now let's take another example. For example, can you pass the salt to me? In other words, I have just made a request to the person who is sitting next to me. Can you pass the salt to me? And if he does, very good. If he doesn't, don't mind. Now let's talk about could. Could is considered to be the past equivalent of can. So it shows the ability in the past. Okay, for example, I could sing well when I was young. Okay, so I had the ability to sing well when I was young. Probably I'm older now, and you know, as we grow older, our voice becomes hoarse, it becomes deep, it shakes. Now let's take another example. For example, she could speak 5 languages when she was in college. Okay, she could speak 5 languages when she was in college. So it is her ability to speak 5 languages in the past. Now let's talk about its another use, that is request. So with the use of can or could, you can make requests also. So can or could you post these letters for me? Okay, can you post these letters for me, and could you post these letters for me? But what is the basic difference between can and could? Could is more polite. Could is more polite. For example, if you are asking someone who you don't know to do something for you, could is the best way to use. For example, could I have your phone for a moment? So let's take a situational example. For example, you have been stuck in a situation where you have no phone, or you have exhausted your balance, or you have no internet pack, which is a need of the hour now, and you want to make a call to your father, and there is no one around you, and all of a sudden you happen to meet a man who has phone. So you can use could I have your phone for a moment. So it is the most polite way to make requests. And I hope that you will find this video more informative. And if you find my videos more informative, please press the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much.